I have extremely funny memory associated with this song. So this is about, I think, 19, 20 years back. We were all young boys and girls. We had just started working. It was a long weekend and we planned a river rafting trip. So there were, I think, about 20 of us. We took a bus and we went to Rishikesh for river rafting. Along with us was a girl from one of our European offices. I think she was from Germany, if I'm not mistaken. So she had come to our office in Gurgaon on a short-term transfer. So she joined us for the river rafting trip. So I remember after doing the whole, day of rafting, we were sitting in the evening and, at the beach, and I was singing songs with my guitar, and I sang this song. So one of us, one of our friends, he started translating the song in English. So, I was singing Hindi songs and he was translating them in English. So imagine when I was singing this song, Samundar mein naha ke aur bhi namkeen ho gayi, he was translating it for her. And the bunch of others who were watching him were all, just going crazy, laughing. So if you do the literal word by word translation of this song, it is very funny. But the essence of the lyrics has a great message. Yes, you heard it right. If you go by the essence of the song, it has a great message. The essence of the lyrics is that if you soak anything in sea water, it is bound to turn salty, right? And I think that's true for us people as well. If you spend time with good people, with great people, you are bound to evolve, you are bound to grow, and you are bound to become a better human being. And I'll give you an analogy. So whenever I travel internationally, I do stop at all the duty-free shops. I love shopping at the duty-free shops. And my favorite section is the section where you find all the perfumes. Even if you don't buy any perfume there, just by standing there, you start smelling good. Yeah, you start smelling good just by being in that environment because the fragrance is in the air. And the same happens when you are in the company of good people. Even without you realizing, all of this happens subconsciously. You pick up a lot of nice qualities, nice virtues that you see around you, right? I'm sure you've heard that quote which says that we are the average of 5 people we spend most of our time with. I also understand that sometimes we have to interact with people who are not so inspiring, who are not so uplifting. But because you are working in a company and you have some people like that with whom you have to work, right? You cannot change that. And those are very transactional interactions or transactional relationships. I think what I mean is, people with whom you consciously spend time with, people whom you like spending time with, just make sure that those are the right people, right? And the definition of right people. These are the people who are positive. These are the people who are uplifting. These are the people who take responsibility for their decisions. They would not blame anyone and anything around them for whatever is happening to them. They take ownership of their own life. They would never compromise on ethics. So you are the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. And I would actually tweak this quote for today's day and age. And I would say that you are the average of 5 people you spend time with and the content that you consume. In the COVID era, there has been a huge upsurge in the OTT content. I'm not saying all content is bad, but there is a lot of content which is full of hatred, which is full of violence, which is full of negativity. If that is the only content that you consume very regularly, you can check out research. It has proven that has negative impact on your own psyche. If you spend time with these good people and if you avoid watching all the negative content, it will start showing up. And the people around you will notice it. And you know what would they say? They would say this. But just because you started spending time with good people and you started avoiding all the negative content, you know what happened? This happened. पहले थी बेहतर